Turn on. Oh yeah, it's on. I can see it. It's on. Yeah, we don't have to do it. Go, 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 go. You still hear me? Hey. Hey. Woo! Yeah, it was. Yeah, I went from an ATV to a... Yeah. It's off camber. It was locked in the ground really good. Woo! Almost went off the road. Oh, it's supposed to be over there. Well, I didn't want to go clear around. It's kind of risky because I couldn't see everything, but...
Yeah, that's one of those corners.
Yeah. Well, you can tell I'm not the first person who's done it.
No. Yeah, hey, I did it probably the last time I ran it. Yeah, this is good about it. It's so beautiful up here right now.
It is really pretty.
Good dirt. Still frozen today. It's still frozen all the way up to that open face. That wasn't drying out. As soon as we hit that tight switchback and pull this way, that'll be all thawed.
It's not too cold though, because like in St. George, a lot of times we have to go so far on a road to get to a single to where we're gonna go, and so you just like by the time you get here, if I can't feel my fingers and
you're not leaking
I know. My bite valve has got a bite in it.
So how long have you guys been riding?
So I've only been riding. Well, we rode when we were younger, but not very much, and didn't know what we were doing. And so I started riding in December of this year, like December, halfway through December. And Craig's been riding a little longer than me, but I put. This tells you how much we ride our bikes. The last 3 weeks we actually haven't ridden near as much, but I've got I bought this bike like 9 months ago, and I've put 235 hours on it.
Awesome, let's go. You've ridden like, wow, it's hard for me to know because this bike only has 40 hours, but I estimate that I've done only about 100 hours of riding this year. So you've done twice as much riding this year as I have.
Yeah, well, we just love it. It's our time to spend together. It's fun.
Oh, absolutely.
We try to go like at least twice a week, sometimes 3, but
that's awesome.
Like in the mornings before Kraig has to go to work. But
that would be a fun log hop.
oh, we get a log hop?
No, it would have been.
Oh yeah, that would have been crazy. Did you guys go right? Oh, that way.
Bridge.
That was great.
So is this a 350 or 450?
It's a 501.
Oh, the 501. Nice.
Yeah,
Big boy in there.
yeah, but it's tamer than the 450 really. I mean, if you want to open it up and go, it'll go like a 450 will, but it's got so much low end that it really it makes it easy. But I bought it. It's been a year and a half now. I love it. I've put almost 300 hours on it. I think I'm going to go back to it. But the bike I had before was a 300, and I thought, well, let's try this 501. When I bought it, I wanted to go dual sport, and so the first thing I did was put lights on it and the plate. And I'm like, you know what? this is not meant for the street at all. So, and dirt is where I love. So I ripped all that off, and it's just been a dirt bike since then. But I think I'll go back to a 300 when I'm done with this one.
They're hard to beat. This one's a 250.
Yeah, why do you like the 2? It seems like you like the 250 better than the 3.
It's funny that you say that because I don't. I mean, I'm picking between this 250 and the 300 is like picking between all my kids.
Yeah.
This one revs out a little freer, and so that's kind of fun. The 300 has its advantages, but in the desert, I prefer this one. In the mountain single track, the 300 is probably slightly better, but not a lot.
Something must have happened. I can't get him on the scene either. Everything okay?
Yeah, he's bleeding a little bit on his nose.
I'm good.
What happened?
I was coming too fast around that corner.
Oh.
And I went down into that little ditch right there where the water is. And I should have been sliding to the left. I walked up my brakes pretty good. It was a slow motion. Roll to the bars, then fall to the side.
Ripped your camera off.
Yeah, I put it in my backpack.
Do you need some first aid or what?
I don't think so, because it's not bleeding anymore.
It stopped bleeding.
Yeah, I just stuck a piece of tissue right there. It's not bleeding anymore.
Because we probably have like a bandage you can put across your nose.
We're carpenters. We're used to cutting ourselves all the time. We throw some duct tape around. Right.
Yeah, Kraig looked back, took one look at you. He's like, he's fine. I'm the one that's concerned. I feel responsible.
Well, when I see Kyle go, whoa, and I'm expecting like blood everywhere. It's just a little thing.
Well, yeah, I don't usually see a lot of blood on his faces.
It's worse than it is now because he had spread blood. It was like the whole thing. I was like, he smashed his nose. But the way he was reacting, like usually he's the chillest guy in the world. Or it's not as painful.
I've got a
It's either just a bloody nose or it cuts down lower, because that's where some of the blood is coming from. But regardless, it's not bleeding anymore.
But your joints, everything else is good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
It's just your face, man.
Just this money maker.
We all have those get-offs.
Yeah, it's just going to require a little bit more makeup.
Come on, bike. Woohoo! This is fun. I'll have to remember this one. Yeah. Whoa. Wrap over that log and then go flying off the cliff. Yeah, here comes your log hop. Nicely done. Yeah, well, the worst thing I can do is just make a mistake, right? Yeah, didn't make it all the way over. Oh, you were there.
But they're not going to be up here until next spring.
I'm gonna see if it'll break. Look, Garrett.
You go through the course, you get permission, and we just have it on. The truth is, the guys that mostly got, well, most, the guys that are doing a lot of the trail maintenance. There we go. That's
I think Kyle had his gas off. He just bent down and turned it back on. Yeah. Whoa. Went off trail a little bit. It's hard to see. I don't know if I can see it better standing or sitting. I don't know if this was a... Yeah. Here we go. I know it's so. Oh yeah, that's pretty gnarly. I want to watch him go down.
Remember when we went down? We have to go up.
This is where the camera is. Yeah.
50-foot cliff right there.
Yeah.
And down this trail is really fun. It's called the Three Forks Trail. And it's cool. Like Sam was saying, it goes down to, at the very bottom, there's a trail to some hot pots, which you can't take your dirt bike on, so I've never been up it. Sam goes there to watch hippies get naked. But
I've been there twice in my life. Once when I was a little kid, and there were naked old people, and my parents were like, "Ooh!" We didn't end up actually going. The last time I went was because my wife had family in town and they wanted to go to it, but it was just a bunch of youth groups up there. It was just... Right now, it probably is, just because that's when all the naked people go up there because they're retired and don't have a job.
That's not the good kind of naked you want to see, anyway.
I wouldn't be proud of it. I'd be distraught. I'd be counseling.
the problem, anytime I've ever seen a person, you try to get out of your mind.
It seems like the older, the fatter, and the uglier you get, the more confident you get too about being.
Damn right.
falling back the way you were. Yeah, he is. I talked to him for a minute. I asked him why he preferred the 250 over the 300, and he said, "You know, it's funny you say that. I don't feel like that's the case." Oh shoot! I saw you guys get squirrely, and it was self-fulfilling prophecy.
Out of the bushes, he just hit that little rock. The wheel was perfect, and his back tire just caught it. Was like.
I got up and close and personal with the Alpine or the Aspens.
Good pivot turn log practice.
I need to tighten my chain too. Something keeps sounding weird. Oh my heck, they are. You're right.
Your bearings are gone.
That's what's rattling. I bet it was that mud yesterday. We did a lot of mud up in American Fork yesterday.
This bike is done for this ride. Bearings are shot.
Yeah, so I'll just limp back to the road. I know how to get back to the road.
Well, yeah. So what? You won't even go the way we came.
Right. I'll just keep going straight on this one. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. Instead of turning left, you just stay straight
until I hit the road. Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay.
And I'm trying to decide what's going to be the fastest way for us to get back. And it's 11:45, and it'll probably take us almost 2 hours to get back around here.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yep. So I won't start worrying until 2:30 or so.
You got water?
I got water and I got food.
Okay.
All right.
So we'll come get you.
Okay.
Because what I'd forgotten is that there was the left-hander, like right when you spun around, there was the left-hander that I didn't want you to take, and then there was another left
That goes
beyond
to 3.
that I did want you to take.
Yeah.
So we get over to 3 and we're like, uh-oh, he should be here.
Sam was just here.
Oh, so he went to the truck?
Yeah, he's trying to find you guys.
All right.
He said he was going to go back up.
I'll go back get the truck.
All right.
Yeah, I told him, I said he's a programmer. Yeah, I said he's a programmer. He's going to take you literal. So if you told him to go straight, he's going to go straight.